Hello guys, welcome back to Seek the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get new TikTok updates, right? So you might be seeing some other people having access to some new features and new futures. So I'm going to show you how to actually have access to that. So maybe you've tried yours but it's not working out, right? You need to actually update your TikTok app precisely. So how do you update your TikTok? You can do that in few steps, right? So first thing, you have to open up your Play Store and look below your screen. You can see search, click on search and type TikTok, and right now you can see updates. So you need to update the app. Click on update and it's going to take a while to get updated. So once it's updated, you can now open that up and start using and get access to new features as well, right? If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.